Hey everyone, want to use Google Fonts in Microsoft Word? In this video, I'll show you how to download, install, and use Google Fonts in Word step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Fonts website. Browse the font collection and choose the font family you want to use. Next, click the download option to save the font files to your computer. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file and open the folder containing the font files. Now install the font on your computer. Microsoft Word uses the fonts installed on your system, so the font needs to be added before it appears in Word. After installing the font, close and reopen Microsoft Word if it was already open. Next, create a new document or open an existing one, then select your text. Open the font menu in the Home tab and search for your newly installed Google font. Choose the font and customize options like size, style, color, and spacing to match your document. Finally, save your document and use the new font for reports, presentations, letters, or creative projects. And that's how to use Google Fonts in Microsoft Word. With thousands of free font options, you can make your documents look more modern and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.